This video is going to go through the concept of personification. So we even have this picture of the Kool-Aid Man on the first slide because this is an example of personification. It's where you take an object and you make it more like a person. So that's why it's called personification. That's where the name comes from. So you can see the Kool-Aid Man here is just like a normal picture of Kool-Aid, except he is now a person. Okay. So this video just goes into a little bit more depth with it. So I'll play this. I know it's kind of strange watching a video in a video, but it seemed like the sound would work okay. So hopefully the sound's all right.
Take a look at this tree. When the tree branches hit the window, someone can describe this scene like this. What about when a kite gets stuck in the tree? What about when the wind blows its branches? In each example, the tree acts like a person. This is personification. Personification gives human qualities to non-human things. How would you use personification to describe a falling leaf?
Okay. So we can see a lot of different examples of this in film, but also in writing. So for film, think about Disney movies like Beauty and the Beast or Cars or Toy Story. So this scene is from Beauty and the Beast. It's the clock Cogsworth and the candlestick Lumiere. And obviously they acted like humans, okay? They walked around in the story. There's actually a reason for that, but even if you go into like the movie Toy Story, all of the toys are brought to life. They're acting like humans. In Cars, all of the cars are acting like humans, okay? So those are all fairly clear examples of personification, where objects are given human qualities. You can see this a little bit more subtly in writing. So you can see people saying something like, lightning danced across the sky, or the wind howled in the night, or the car complained as the key was turned, or Rita heard the last piece of pie calling her name. My alarm clock yells at me every morning. The avalanche devoured anything standing in its way. Okay, some of these are more obvious, like a car complaining. Clearly a car can't complain. But even an avalanche devouring things makes it seem like the avalanche is actively doing something. This one's not quite as obvious as, again, the car one, or something like an alarm clock yelling. Okay, these are things that normally humans do or people do. Okay, and that's really all there is to it for personification. I'll go through a few examples in my next video with some specific poems, but that really is all there is to personification. Is anytime that the author is giving human qualities to an object, we call it personification. Right? Thank you for watching.